Hi guys, my name is Jorik. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are learning how to build a computer. First, you'll need a power supply, a motherboard, a RAM, a CPU cooler, a hard drive, a CPU, and a graphics card. Don't forget the case, young man. Now we need to build the computer out of the case so we can make sure everything is working. Now you need to install the CPU. You need to make sure that you don't bend the pins. Now that the CPU is in, now you need to lock it in. Push it down as hard as you can. Now you need to put thermal paste. This is a very important step. You only need to do a small amount. Now you put the CPU cooler on. Make sure you lock it in. You push it in and lock it in. Don't forget to plug this in. Now we need to put the RAM in. Don't forget to lock it in. Make sure these clips are locking in the RAM. Now we're going to install the power supply. Look for the 24 pin and the 8 pin for the CPU. Now plug in the 8 pin for the CPU. Now get the 24 pin and plug the 24 pin in. Now you need to install the graphics card. Now find the 6 pin and put it into the graphics card. Now you need to plug the power to your hard drive. Now you need to plug in the SATA cable to the hard drive. Now you plug in the SATA cable to the motherboard. Don't forget to plug the monitor in. Now turn on the computer. If anything comes up on it, that means it's all working. Now that we know everything's working, we can install everything in the case. Now you need to remove the power supply, the graphics card, and the hard drive. Like and subscribe for part 2. Peace.